Guys, welcome back to another video of me playing the fireworks game. Welcome back to the Total Gaming Vlog. My name is Buddy, and yeah, we're playing the fireworks game again. So yeah, we're doing this game again because, well, it's the 4th of July. So yeah, look at that. Wow, look at those fireworks. That's really cool. Right, so, I wonder what fireworks like in the daytime. I forgot to get fireworks like in the windows over here. Oh no. Jump up, head over here. I've seen my own one so far. Okay. We got a lot of good ones. I could do the patriotic crackle. Yeah, I think I'll do that one. This one can give me a lot of money. This one, ooh, this one looks cool. I need the ones that give me like a lot of money. Like this one. This one. This one. This one, I guess. This one. That one. I think that's it. Nope, but that's it. I think I should like get one off. Like the 200 one, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna get this one. That might work, but if you do this like the one's opposite color, so whoa. You guys look at that on the side, you see, look at that. When it stops, yes, it's normal. Okay guys, I'm just try this firework over here. Okay, it's like a fuse and we'll stand back. That's it, the green one. But I think nighttime's good. Let's just go over here, you guys. Then we just know the fireworks. So, some people over here are doing some things too. Okay, I'm gonna go back behind these two little houses. Maybe right here on the corner of the map. Oh, there's a soccer game. Oh, I found a beach. I found a beach ball. Right, guys, I'm gonna do it right here, okay? I'm doing it right here. That one. I'm doing this one again. Then this one. I'm trying to do a straight line. This one's gonna take a while. So, yeah, just wait for this. Should I just be done? Just do this, I guess. This. I just want to do that. Okay. Link that one to this one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later after I'm done linking these other together. Okay. Right, guys, I'm done. So this firework fell down, so I put another firework. I'm just gonna leave that up because I don't want it to hit the barrel. Right, guys, I'm ready. Do you guys want to see it? Let's see it from the beach shores. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. That's my mistake. Okay, now we're going. Do you guys see that? Whoa! Look at the bottom, it's so magical too. Like that over there, it looks amazing. Let's do this one right here. So this one right here. And this do this one. Yay, the firework. Right, guys. So, like, yeah, I'm just gonna do this one. Let's light this one up. See. Little firework. Yeah, guys, let's get some more fireworks, okay? Bye-bye, firework. I'm gonna keep my light on with me because it's kind of like dark over here since it's nighttime. Maybe I should like actually get like a new light on. I think I should get a new light on, you guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get a brand new light on. Right, guys, I'm at the equipment and oh my god, that's loud. I gotta turn that down. That's like this, all what your drones are doing. I don't want to do that. Right, guys, so I could get a basic light on, or I could get a good light on. But if you guys want me to work a little more harder, then I could get the great light on. I want to get the great light on. So you guys, I think I'm just gonna do like the best one, which is like this. That's why it takes a long time. Then this one. But I already got it, so I'm gonna do it right now. I'm getting it right now. Yes. I got it, only have to press it now. Oh, and I gotta equip it. So I'm gonna equip the old light and in with the new. So yeah, guys, let's just test it out. Well, that's fast. That is fast, you guys. I think I like my new light off. That means I could put up a lot more fireworks without like the time. Now, guys, let's go over here this time. And it goes up and maybe to another soccer field. Well, you guys, let's just see for this one. Let's just do like this one. Let's do like to video out of like the best ones. Maybe we could do that, you guys. Maybe we could do that. That sounds like fun. So you guys, let's do like this one first. We're ranking it out of 5, okay? I think like a 3. Like I think like maybe a 4. Actually no, maybe a 5. Yeah, I think a 5. Yeah, 5's good. Cause yeah, like it's big for like a cracker roll. Right now for this one, let's see this. The name seems really cool, so it will surprise me, right? I mean, I guess. I think like 4 out of 5. I mean, it does look really good. Actually, no, 3. Because it does look really good, that kind of disappointed me because I thought I had a little more power than that. Alright guys, so I'm doing this one. Okay, light it up. Let's see. You guys, okay, and that was disappointing. Maybe like 2 because it was really small. But you guys, let's do this one. So you guys, yeah, let me just light the fuse up. Let's get back and I think this one's a 5 out of 5. Cause like it has like a lot and they're pretty big. And they're like big, so yeah, I'd have to say like this is a 5 out of 5. It's big, there's multiple ones, and yeah, it looks really cool. Right? Wow, and it even has a grand finale at the end. Oh, look at that one's over there. That looks cool. I wonder how you could get that. Right, guys, I got this one. On this one, it has like a cool title. It's called the Screamo. Right, guys, let's see it, and it does scream. It's a little one, kind of little, I guess. I think 4 out of 5. Yeah. I think it should be a little brighter than that because I think fireworks should be like more brighter. Oh, I'm stuck. I think that fireworks should be more brighter. But other than that, yeah. I mean, it does scream. And yeah, it does scream. And it was big. Not as big as that though. Those are huge. Yeah, guys, I want to watch this. This is really cool. Right, so they did this one. Okay, now this one. You guys, I'm just gonna put them straight up, okay? Because I think it'll be faster. Right, guys, so we're doing this one. This one, okay, guys, just watch. Wow, okay, that was fast. It was really fast. It looked cool, but the firework, it was kind of like small. Like, it was really small, and I didn't really like that. So maybe like a 3 out of 5, I guess. You know, this one. This one, yeah. This one's like a little, it's like a little firework, I guess. It's like a little firework that sprays out like the fireworks. And I do like it. I does get the point clearly. I think I'll give it a 5 out of 5 because, well, it's blue like the water. And it kind of makes some water sounds. You see this one? Yeah, this one's 5 out of 5 immediately. I guess the sound of fire pretty good. And it looks like fire and flames. So yeah, I do really like it. So yeah, that's my honest review, you guys. Right, but I think that's enough for today. Right, thank you guys for watching me play this. Make sure to subscribe and like, and hit the notification bell to make it go ding, so then you never miss one of my videos. Remember, be happy, have fun, have a terrific day, and bye.